Have you ever stopped to think that your kidney health might be silently compromised? You may not even realize it, but that constant feeling of fatigue, high blood pressure that doesn't go down, or even foamy urine could be signs that something isn't right with your kidneys. And the most surprising part is that the solution might be closer than you think, on your plate. That's right. There are powerful foods, real superfoods, that have the power to combat proteinuria and help restore your kidney health. But be careful, we're not talking about miracle diets or quick and easy fixes. We're talking about a practical, science-based approach that can transform the way you take care of your body. Curious to know what these superfoods are and how they can make a difference in your life? Then keep reading and discover how small changes in your diet can have a huge impact on your kidney health. Understanding proteinuria. Proteinuria, a term that might sound strange at first, is a manifestation of the body signaling something deeper and more serious: kidney problems. Imagine you start noticing something different in your body, a sense that something isn't quite right. Upon consulting a doctor, they mention the presence of protein in your urine, and this, by no means, should be ignored. This condition is often associated with chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension, which, if not managed, can compromise kidney health. Taking care of these signs is essential to maintaining well-being. To understand the severity of proteinuria, you first need to understand the function of the kidneys. They are like highly sophisticated filters, responsible for removing impurities from the blood and maintaining the body's balance. However, when these filters, the nephrons, suffer damage, proteins that should stay in the body end up leaking into the urine. And that, my friend, is a clear sign that the kidneys are overloaded. The health of the kidneys, or sapute as some prefer to say, depends on keeping these proteins in the right place and not letting them escape. Thus, taking care of kidney health is crucial, especially when dealing with chronic diseases that can accelerate the process of kidney damage. Keeping a close eye on the signs your body gives is crucial. If you notice something unusual, like excessive foam in the urine, it's time to consult a professional. It's not enough to just avoid foods that harm the kidneys, it's also necessary to adopt a balanced diet focused on prevention. Now, when we talk about prevention, this brings us to the next point: how the right foods can help prevent problems like proteinuria, kidney function and protein loss. The kidneys, those small bean-shaped organs, have an enormous responsibility in the human body. They not only filter waste but also ensure that essential nutrients, like proteins, stay where they should, in the blood. When the nephrons, which are the kidney's filters, start to fail, there is a leakage of proteins into the urine, and that's where the problem begins. This leakage, known as proteinuria, is more than just a nuisance, it's a sign that kidney health is compromised. Imagine the kidneys as a safety net, and when it breaks, we need to act quickly. To reduce protein loss and preserve kidney health, some strategies are fundamental. A practical example is reducing salt intake and choosing a diet that protects the kidneys, such as consuming foods rich in antioxidants. Keeping blood pressure under control is also crucial, as hypertension is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Investing in regular health monitoring, such as urine and blood tests, can help identify problems before they become serious. Taking care of the kidneys is taking care of life. After all, they are essential for the body's balance. Maintaining kidney health requires more than just avoiding harmful things. It's necessary to incorporate habits that help repair and protect these vital organs. Adopting a balanced diet, rich in foods that promote kidney health, is an important step. The right protein, consumed in the appropriate amounts, can help prevent the worsening of proteinuria. And when we talk about diet, it's essential to explore how certain foods can be true allies in the fight against protein loss and in maintaining kidney health. This brings us to the next point: the superfoods that can make a difference. Dietary solutions. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a real gem for those looking to protect kidney health. These vegetables are loaded with antioxidants, such as vitamin C and vitamin A, which help fight free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress that can damage the kidneys. Additionally, they are low in potassium, a mineral that, when consumed in excess, can be harmful to those with kidney problems. The practicality of red bell peppers is another strong point. They can be added to salads, sautéed, or even eaten raw as a healthy snack. Incorporating red bell peppers into your daily diet is a simple and tasty way to support kidney health. Quinoa. Quinoa is a superfood that goes far beyond its high protein content. This grain is complete, offering all the essential amino acids the body needs, which is especially important for those who want to avoid overloading the kidneys with animal-based proteins. Additionally, quinoa is rich in fiber, helping to regulate blood sugar and maintain healthy cholesterol levels, two crucial factors for those concerned about kidney health. To make it even more versatile, quinoa can be used in salads, soups, or even as a rice substitute in hot dishes. Incorporating quinoa into your diet routine is a smart strategy to reduce proteinuria and protect the kidneys. Cabbage. Cabbage, often underestimated, is one of the most potent foods when it comes to kidney health. It is full of phytonutrients that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, factors that can worsen kidney function. Additionally, cabbage has the advantage of being low in potassium and sodium, making it ideal for restrictive diets necessary for those caring for their kidneys. It can be consumed in salads, as sandwich fillings, or even fermented as sauerkraut, offering multiple ways to diversify meals while supporting kidney health. Avocado. Although avocado is known for its high potassium content, it also offers benefits that cannot be ignored. Moderate consumption of avocado can help improve blood cholesterol levels, especially good cholesterol, HDL, and regulate sugar levels, factors that directly influence kidney health. The healthy fat found in avocado, primarily oleic acid, helps reduce inflammation in the body, promoting a healthier environment for the kidneys. Therefore, by consuming avocado in moderation and within a balanced diet, it is possible to enjoy its benefits without harming kidney health. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a true elixir for health. Rich in monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants like oleocanthal, it helps reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative damage. For those concerned about kidney health, olive oil is a smart choice because, in addition to helping control cholesterol levels and blood pressure, two critical factors for kidney health, it can also be used in various ways in daily cooking. Whether in salads, as a base for sauces, or even as a substitute for butter and margarine, extra virgin olive oil is a valuable ally in the fight against proteinuria. Nuts. Nuts are rich in omega-3, a type of fat with anti-inflammatory effects in the body, something that is crucial for protecting the kidneys from future damage. Additionally, nuts contain fiber and antioxidants like vitamin E, which help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, which often go hand in hand with kidney problems. Consuming a small portion of nuts daily, whether as a snack or added to salads and yogurts, is a practical way to keep kidney health in check. However, it is important to remember that, like any food, consumption should be balanced to avoid excesses that could overload the kidneys. Now that we understand the individual impact of each of these superfoods on kidney health, let's delve deeper into how combining these foods can truly transform kidney health and overall well-being. Insights on nutritional impact. The foods we eat play a vital role in kidney health, influencing everything from blood pressure to the body's overall balance. For example, incorporating red bell peppers into your diet helps reduce blood pressure and blood sugar levels, which is essential to avoid the worsening of proteinuria. The combination of antioxidants in these foods with a balanced diet can be the key to keeping the kidneys functioning efficiently. This nutritional approach not only protects the kidneys but also improves overall quality of life. Quinoa, in addition to being an excellent source of protein, is rich in fiber, which aids digestion and regulates cholesterol levels in the blood. This is crucial because high cholesterol levels can contribute to the hardening of the arteries, negatively impacting the kidneys. Incorporating quinoa into the diet, along with other nutritious foods, creates a synergistic effect that supports kidney health holistically. And the best part is that quinoa is versatile and can be easily incorporated into various meals, making healthy eating practical and accessible. When we look at foods like extra virgin olive oil and nuts, it becomes clear that they do more than just nourish, they fight inflammation and protect the body against cellular damage. These characteristics are particularly important for those who already show signs of kidney impairment. The ability of these foods to reduce inflammation and strengthen the body's cells makes them powerful allies in the battle to maintain kidney health. By combining these superfoods, it is possible to create a diet that not only prevents proteinuria but also promotes overall well-being, keeping the body balanced and healthy. After learning about these 6 powerful superfoods, there is no doubt that your kidney health is literally in your hands, or better yet, on your plate. The question that remains is, what will you do with this information? Will you continue to ignore the signs your body gives you, or will you take control of your health and start making choices that really matter? Remember, it's not just about avoiding problems, but about transforming your life and ensuring that your kidneys function fully and healthily. Start today by incorporating these foods into your routine and see how small changes can result in significant transformations. And don't stop here. If you're interested in continuing to learn more about how to take care of your health and improve your quality of life, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. This way, you'll be the first to know when new content is posted, ensuring you never miss an important tip. After all, knowledge is power, and now is the time to use it to change your life for the better.